Hi everyone, just want to show you code spaces. I think it's really cool. You can start developing on your repositories on a browser with VS Code. It's really cool, and it's on beta right now, so you can sign up to be a user, and it is free at the moment. So we have a bunch of repositories too that you can get started with, but you can start coding on any of your repositories and also other public repositories too. All you need to do is, instead of cloning it, you just go and say open it in new space, and then you can create a new code space. So I created one already. It's right here. And I can see my files, and all of my extensions are here too, available, which is really cool. And I can do whatever I'm able to do on my local development environment without having to set up any of my computers. So I can use another computer that doesn't belong to me. All I need to do is just go to this URL. And I have a debugging point here. I'm going to press F5 and run it. Now you see that it is stopped on my breakpoint, and I can look at everything and run it on a browser. It's really cool. So just want to show you that.